cell referencing. You must have observed when we copy formula from one cell to another, the formula automatically changes as per the row and columns where it is copied. The cell coordinates in the formula are called as cell referencing. There are two commonly used cell references we use in Excel. These are explained as follows. Absolute referencing. Absolute referencing is when we copy formula from one cell to another and then the formula does not change as per the row and columns where it is copied. We place a $sign in front of the row or column where to make a column or row absolute. In simple words, this means that while copying this formula to another cell, the column name and the row number will remain fixed and they will not change. Relative referencing. Relative referencing is when we copy a formula from one cell to another. Then the formula changes as per the row and column where it is copied. This is the default mode of referencing in a spreadsheet. Mixed referencing. This is a combination of absolute and relative referencing. We can make column or row absolute or relative as per our convenience. Means column can be changed while copying formula, but row will remain fixed.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.